Now, this is important for, for people who miss meetings, important meetings and stuff like that. So this is like the output of what the LLM has summarized. This is the audio of what was said in the meeting. Tool that automatically joins Google Meetings, record them, and then sends a summary of the meetings to participants. What's up, everyone? Hello, everybody. Welcome back to another video. Now, today it's a very special day. And guess what? Today we're working on something that means a lot to me. Now, here is my story. When I join Google Meet meetings, or when I join a meeting in general, I attend meeting with clients and, meetings at work and stuff like that. I always find it very difficult to, I have to take notes. I have to do this. I have to do that. And I need to remember the key points that are being discussed in the meeting itself. Well, I had this problem and I said, okay, you know what? I'm going to try to solve it and hope it helps another person out there who is facing the same problem. So I just took my computer and I said, okay, let's get to it then. And I started working on this project called Project Turbo. And by the way, the name is lame. This is not the final name of the project, but I couldn't waste time, trying to figure out the name of the project. I just wanted to have something that works. Now, what does Project Turbo do? So Project Turbo, the aim here is pretty simple and straightforward, and it is to develop a tool that automatically joins Google Meetings, record them, and then sends a summary of the meetings to participants of the meeting, or a list of participants that is provided to the tool. Now, this is important for, for people who miss meetings, important meetings and stuff like that. I know Zoom has this feature, but this one, for now, like I said, I haven't even committed my code. If you look here, my Git history, I haven't even committed my code. I'm still working on it. It's no way perfect, but the goal here is to have a tool that pretty much works offline. Okay, if you're like, you don't have to send any data or whatsoever thing to the cloud. Now, for now, the tool uses OpenAI. That's chatgpt, OpenAI, for processing, summarizing and everything. But in the nearest future, we're looking to have Olama integrated, and then just summarizing them completely 100% offline, and everything nothing won't be sent to the cloud or whatsoever thing, or to another third-party service. Now, the tool is just pretty much what it does, and this is an alpha version. This is in no way the final version. Like I said, there are a lot of features I'm working on, and I did a test, and we currently can email summaries. So that's that. This one is not done yet, so this is something that's going to be coming in subsequent releases. So now, I'm gonna show you guys an email that was generated, or like an email that was transcribed, and then it was summarized, like the key things that were said in the meeting. So I'm gonna head straight forward to my emails, and then I'm gonna open the email. Where is the email? This is the email here. Now, this is the email, and this is the audio of what was said in the meeting. So we can see here the audio is like 2 minutes, and the audio has been transcribed using Whisper CPP. By the way, shout out to the author of Whisper CPP, which I have done a lot of shout out to him in the past. And yeah, so we transcribe the audio, and then we send it to an LLM, and then the LLM pretty much does the summarization. So this is like the output of what the LLM has summarized. In subsequent videos, we're going to be talking about, adding new features. We're going to be working on adding new features, and of course, making this available. Now, this project, it's not entirely free. I mean, it is free for our Patreon subscribers. And if you want to have grab the code to this project, feel free to check down in the description below. You can have a link where you're going to be redirected to where you can, you can get the source code, or at least you can get access to the source code of the project. Well, that said, this is a pretty short video, straightforward. I didn't want to, I I didn't want to do something too long, so I think that's pretty much about it. So I hope you guys love it, and if you love our videos, if you love what we do, please don't forget to subscribe, and please smash that like button and drop a comment down below as to what kind of features you think you would want to see on Project Tubo. And maybe if you have any recommendation for the name I can give to the project, feel free to, drop that down below as well. Well, thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you in the next one.